Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this smooshy nail and nail stamp design. Now I'm going to use this white by Sinful Colors called Snow Me White. This orange by China Glaze called None of Your Risky Business. I love that name, it's so cute. This purple by Finger Paints called Pronto Purple. And this pink by LA Colors called Absolute. Now I'm going to use a clear jelly stamper and I'm going to apply the colors onto the stamper. I didn't really think these colors were going to come out as nice as they did. I really did love the finished look of it. It was like perfect design. I just loved it. Now I'm going to use, once I was done with the polish, of course, I'm going to use another stamper to mix the colors together. I gave it a few seconds just for the smushy design to kind of dry, and then I pressed it onto my nails. I stamped it really hard on my nails for it to stick. Then I'm going to apply black polish onto this pretty floral design. The nail plate I'm using is by Nicole Diaries, but I don't have the number to it, so that's why I didn't say what the plate is. But it's a really pretty plate. And as you can see, I applied the floral design onto the nails, and I think it just came out so perfect. It just was perfect. The florals on top of it, I loved it. So as you can see, I removed the liquid latex clean around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.